The installation was easy. It took one adjustment after I mowed the first time, and I added more sand to it. There is another review that says the drier the sand the better. No joke. Don't settle for play sand. That was the hardest part of the installation, putting the sand in the roller. I have found the best results from mowing a pattern with the mower in mulch mode, and then mowing in a different direction with the bag on. The lines are great, but if you water, do it the night before you mow. For some reason the water takes the pop away. I still like it though. Great purchase. Okay, first off, the first thing I was asked by my girlfriend was, why the hell do you need one of these? My response was simple: why the hell would I not want to have one? Within 20 minutes of installation, my grass looked incredible. I cannot believe I did not buy one of these sooner. Even my neighbors came out and asked me about the kit. And after explaining what it is and what it does, they went and ordered their own. I highly recommend it if you want your lawn to stand out. Now that my lawn is healthy, I needed something to help it pop compared to my neighbors, especially the ones getting pros to cut their lawn. After reading the reviews, I figured this was the way to do it. When I opened the box, I thought to myself, this thing was $100? It seems pricey for what is essentially a roller. Anyways, assembly was a bit tricky but only took about 20 minutes once I got the hang of it. I used play sand from Home Depot with a funnel to fill the roller. My Honda's handlebars are wider than this was designed for, so I may invest in some longer screws. Other than that, the fit was perfect. On to the results. I couldn't believe my eyes when I did my first few passes. This made such a dramatic difference that even my wife came outside to tell me how impressed she was. Click link in description for more reviews.